Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation, and today we are going to see some complex logic of this particular pattern. So this is a different pattern, and like we can see that in the first row we have 5 star, in the second row we have 2 star space 2 star, and in the last row we have 1 star 4 space or 3 space and 1 star. So let's try to develop the logic for this. uh, First of all I will take one new class, so program 10 I can say, and we'll use the main method. So first of all let's define the target, what we need to do. So here 1 2 3 4 5 5 star, then 2 star space 2 star, then 1 star space and 1 star last. So this is our target. So for this I will declare some variable like integer star. So what we will do, first of all we'll try to uh, develop the logic for this 3 star 2 star and 1 star. So for that I will use like star equal to 3, then space equals to 0. Okay, so first of all what we'll do, I will write down over here. First of all we'll develop the logic for this. We already do this thing, but let's do this and then we'll modify that program. So we need to develop this logic first. Okay, so for that I have star equal to 3, space equal to 0. Then I will use one for loop like for integer uh, yes, row equal to 1, then row less than equal to 3, then row plus plus. So this is the for loop which is going to take care about the number of rows we have here or here. We have the same number of rows. Then here we can see that we have, first of all we print a star. So for that I will use one for loop integer I equal to 1, then I less than equals to star and I plus plus, and then here I will try to print the star first. Then I need to do the same thing for space integer like j equal to 1, then j less than equal to space, then j plus plus, and here I'll try to print the space, and after that I'll will take in a second line, sorry, next line. Here I will remove ln, and again what we need to do, star should be in decrement, so star minus minus and space plus plus. So this is the logic we have already seen. Let's execute this. So we got that 3 star 2 star and 1 star. So what we got up to this. Okay, last two line we haven't got. So let's modify this program for the remaining thing. Now what we have done nearly 60% of this logic. Now what about this? So for this what we can do, we need to use one more for loop and use some conditions too. So for that what we can see here, we have printed 3 star, here we have the 2 star. Okay, and here we also have 2 star and here we have 1 star, 2 to 1 we can say that. So for that I will use one more variable like star 1. Okay, but that will be less than the value of star. Okay, star 1 is equals to star minus 1. So if the star is 3, then star 1 become 2. So this is the variable we required, and here I will use one more for loop. So for integer k equal to 1, start from 1, then k less than equals to star 1, the new variable, and k plus plus. Okay, after this I will put some condition like if row, like if we have the third row, if row equal to 3 and k equal to 1. If the row number is 3 and if k is 1, then what we need? We need the, we can say that we need to print the space. Okay, what happened over here? Integer row equal to 1. Where we are getting this? Yeah, we have row here, so I have to use the 3, but okay, I use the AND. Okay, so if the row number is 3 and k is 1, so what we can say that we need to print the space. And if, like, if this condition is false, in a else, what we can do, we can print the star. Okay, so what is going to happen over here? Let's try to execute this. Okay, we are getting this. Okay, something is wrong here. Okay, I need to remove the ln and ln from here too. Let's execute. Yes, so what is happening? Until this we know this one and even this one, so this is the new thing we have added over here. So what is happening over here? I use one extra for loop because this is the different kind of structure we have. We are just going to add it now. How we can add this? Because I'm using this particular thing for us first row. Okay, so what is happening? In a first row will get the 3 star by using this logic, and for the remaining 2 star we apply this logic. So here what we can say that as k equals to 1, okay, and it is goes up to 2 because star value is 3 and star 1 value is 2. So this will run for the 2 iteration, we can say that. So here if row equal to 3, so first of all we are just going to consider like this. So let's try to decode this first of all. So this is the commenting. Then for the row number 1, we can say that for row number 1, first of all star will get printed, so 3 star will get printed. Then it will come to here. Okay, as k equal to 1, then k less than equals to star. So here I can say k less than equal to 2, or we can say that 1 less than equal to 2, as the condition is true. And now if row is equal to 3, no, row is not 3, so else is going to execute. So again 1 star will get added from the else block. Okay, then again the condition will be like 2 less than equal to 2, it is again true. And if this condition is false, so here what we can say that 1 star will again printed like this. Okay, and now what happened? Here we can see that for row number 2, 2 star will get printed. Okay, after printing 2 star, there is one space is also printed. Okay, here we can see that if I try to write down here, so 2 star are get printed by using this. Okay, and one space printed by using this, like this. And now here we have again k equal to 1, k less than equal to star. Okay, so like we can say that 1 less than equal to 2. Okay, so in this particular case what happened, like again this row equal to 3, this again is going to false. Okay, so that is going to false. And what we can say that now here what we have here, like we have k equal to 1. Okay, and star value is also 1, because here we can say that the value of star get modified. Okay, as the star get modified, the value of star get modified, so this particular loop will be executed only once. And now we already have the space over here. Sorry, we already have, sorry, not like that, not like that, but here what we have, yeah, k equal to 1 and it is 2. So again in this particular line 2 star, by using this particular for loop we got the printing of 2 star. and by using this for loop we got the printing of single star. And now times for this, so again k equal to 1, k less than equal to 2, so 1 less than equal to 2. So this particular for loop will be executed two times for two iteration. And again, as we have the row number 2, so if is going to not set, if is not going to satisfy the condition, so else part is going to execute. And here after one space, 2 star will be printed just like we have printed before. Okay, and now we got the 2 star. Again, it will, whenever it will go for the row number 3, at that time what can we say, like here first of all we'll get the single star. Okay, then we can see there is a 2 space. Okay, there is a 2 space, we can say that. And now here we can see 1 2 space is there. Now we reach up to there. Now here we can see that k equals to 1, k less than equal to star. Okay, and uh, here also what we have, like this particular for loop will execute for two number of time, for two times. Okay, so whenever it execute, as we can see that we got already got the what we can say that uh, it will execute, going to execute two times. So it will print, so as if row equal to 3 and k equal to 1. Okay, both the condition is true, both the condition is true, we can say that. So as row is 3, we can say that we are going to perform the operation for row number 3 and k equal to 1. Okay, so first this star will be printed by this for loop, then two spaces will be printed by second for loop, and one space is printed by if condition. Okay, so that will go up to 1 2 and 3, up to 3 space. Like here we can say that one space is print, two spaces printed by this for loop, and again third space is printed by this if loop. Now whenever this particular for loop will be run for the second iteration, so for the first iteration I can say that one space is printed over. Okay, and whenever 2 less than equal to 2, so now row is 3 but k is 2, k is not 1. So now else part will going to execute, and finally we will print the star over here. So this is the logic to print the pattern like this. First of all, up to this we already know, no doubt about it. Okay, but this is what we can say that the new part. Here what is happening, this particular for loop will execute three times. So in the first iteration it will print the 2 star. In the second iteration again it will going to print 2 star. Why it is so? Because row number is 1 for the first execution, row number is 2 for the second execution, and for third execution row number is 3 and k equal to 1. So for that particular condition the single space is printed over here. But whenever row number equal to 3 and k equal to, k not equal to 2 or k equal to 2, at that time one star is also to get printed like this, and we will get the output of this. So this is the logic to develop the pattern like this. Thank you.